the best source of transportation for me right now. I'm here visiting the VA. I ride it all the way through to the Duke area, the VA hospital.
Now approaching Brightleaf District, a unique mix of restaurants and shopping.
I'm going to school. Yeah, got class today. I catch the bus at Brightleaf Square, which is where I live, and just takes a couple minutes to get here.
Now approaching Duke Medical Center, voted one of the top 10 hospitals in America.
It's free and it's pretty efficient. So.
Well, I'm an employee, and but I don't work on the campus. I work over at the Legacy Tower building.
Duke Central Campus.
And today I had to meet up with a patient who's participating in one of our studies. So I just thought I would experiment, grab a map, and try to get back to my office using the Bull City Connector.
I really enjoyed driving the Bull City Connector. Real good.
Now approaching Social Services, Durham Public Library.
I mean, now that I know how convenient it is, you know, there's lots of great restaurants downtown. It would be really easy to jump on this and get downtown for lunch.
I've been in a lot of cities and I've been all around the world, and this is actually surprising to me to come home and find something like this. So it says a lot about Durham itself. At least he cares.